Yes,
Okay.
Jamal.
So,
Please begin with your
okay,
inputs, your
about,
insights into the novel.
okay, sir. Sir, this novel tells about Jasmine, and she met one fortune teller, and he told her about her future. Okay, you will be widower in your whole life, and
Right,
after that she met a one Indian person. His name is Prakash, and she got married to him. And after that, this is her unfortunate because of Prakash was died one bomb explosion, and it was committed by Sukhbinder. Sukhbinder,
right,
and
good.
after that, Prakash and Jasmine, they planned before marriage also. We will
Good.
go around the world, and we will visit here and there, and this is our plan. But because of died of his husband, her husband actually, she thought that no, I will alone to go around the world, and I will visit here and there. It was her plans. So she went to America. After that, she met there one banker, and I'm saying, so, but uh, but Ripple Meyer, but
Good.
Ripple Meyer, uh, and actually at that time Jasmine age was at near about 24 years old. She was, but was I think 50 plus. But actually, but interested to marry her, but actually denied. But finally they got married. They got married, and they had one adopted son. His name was Duke. But
Hmm.
unfortunately, once again, just fortune teller told about Jasmine. So, but was also killed by someone. He was also because of one person took a loan from his bank, but finally he was unable to return. That's why. And she went to I think also New York to Iowa there. And after that, she changed her name according to places from to somewhere, like Jasmine in India. Her name was Jyoti, and also Jazz. Jazz also her name was Jazz,
Good. Good.
and
Very good.
some others, Jan, Jazz, Jyoti. Yes, and and actually, but was caring. Due to Jasmine, he left caring. Yeah. So it was, but after that, this novel was going on, and she met many people, and after that, Sukhbinder called her a prostitute horse, and then he was going to plant the bomb. So she was thinking that, and she once she was going to somewhere else also. So she met ship driver. His name was Half Face. Half Face. So she was raped by her Half Face. That time she was thinking, I should commit suicide instead of killing Half Face. And end of the novel. Then finally Taylor, one also character Taylor, and Taylor ended up. They were talking that now this is a, I think, fortune of yeah, unfortune of Jasmine. Actually, we are just looking stars. Let me sir. Line is here.
Huh?
What's mere position the stars to the astrologers who uh, foretold her widowhood and exile. Taylor and Duff said that. So overall, we can say that in a conclusion, it was a misfortune of Jasmine in the novel, and she faces lots of problem in her life.
Okay, so from the presentation which Muhammad Jamal Khan made, we can rather analyze or rather see that he has made salient points regarding the plot of the novel and main characters. So he has, in a way, discussed or shared his reading and have enumerated on the facts when it comes to plot of the novel and the characters of the novel, and in and out certain features of those characters, that how they are placed in the novel. And he has also hinted a bit on the themes, right? So this was his contribution. Okay, then we'll move on to another participant. We'll hear his or her views, and then so the other participant need not repeat what already has been made, the points which have already been made by Muhammad Jamal Khan. Okay, so because we know that Deepak is in a hurry, so we would better he have his valuable feedback so that we know, okay, what is his reading. So we move on to now Deepak. So Deepak Singh, please tell us what have you benefited from your reading. So please share your thoughts, you share your insights into the novel.
Around a girl whose name changes from place to place when she's studying studying her she was in India. Her name was Jyoti before before but after marriage when she marries with Prakash Vaji. She goes to settle in America, but when she goes to settle in America, her name changes. Her name becomes Jasmine. In America, her husband is killed in a bomb blast. That bomb was blasted by Sukhvinder, and
Amitra,
while blasting.
hello, yeah, just to interrupt in between, I have already cleared my point that please do not be repetitive, right? So as we know that in a novel, there are so many things to be discussed. We have plot, we have characters. So to an extent, Jamal has made his points on plot as well as the characters. So it would be great if you could talk about, say, narrative in the novel, okay, on the narration or the technique in the novel or the point of view presented by the narrator. All right. So if these are the areas which have not been touched upon, so can you tell us something to do with, say, themes in the novel or some other stuff which has not been touched by Jamal?
Sir, we can say superstition can be found in this novel because astrologer had predicted that she would remain widow throughout of her life, and after that she deliberately does not marry with another, even after falling in love with Taylor. And so in this novel we can understand, we can judge that how a girl was raped. She was exploited when she was alone. She got raped by half face. And she li- 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 she li- when she lives with Ripple Mayer.
Uh,
She lives with adopted son as well, and at that time her name is Jane. And and then she meets Taylor. At that time her name changes to Jace.
mhm. Anything apart from this? Would you like to add something else?
She meets Lily Gordon.
Right.
Gordon. Mrs. Gordon has a daughter. She is a photographer by profession, uh, and for 5 months she lives with Professor Vadera, who recommended her first husband to study in America. And she fears to go without green card. Professor Vadera helps her to bring green card for 50,000 rupees, and she lives with Professor Vadera for five months. month. She also works as nanny for the daughter of Taylor uh, Taylor, and Jasmine falls in love with Taylor as well, but she does not marry as she is afraid that she would remain widowed throughout her life, as it is what predicted by an astrologer. Mm, uh,
Okay,
uh,
Soumitra, you have mm, fed in more details when it comes to the storyline of this particular novel, but you made a very important point regarding the superstitious thing. Okay, because here something which is to do with the Indian sentiment or a very Indian like thing, right? So that was an important point made in your participation in your deliberation when you were speaking about this particular novel. Oh, okay, Soumitra. So I think you have gone through the details, right? So we'll move on to another participants. Now we'll begin with I have let's say Shruti. So Shruti need to come live first of all and then share your views. Yes, go on. You can use your notes. You can use your jottings. You can see them. Yes.
So mainly the novel is all about a girl who wants to reshape her destiny and her happiness in an alien land.
First of all, you need to be very clear that
Like,
what are you going to talk about? On what aspect are you going to talk about? Because they have made their points regarding the plot and characters. So is it anything else which you want to say about the novel? Your comprehension, your
my
understanding.
views on, yes sir.
Huh. Your views
Like
on?
when what I thought about reading the plot and character of the novel.
How about the themes? How about the narrative style, technique, or the themes? Huh.
The main theme of the novel is search for identity.
Okay, quest for identity, that is one.
Alienation.
Alienation is one. Others need to jot down what she's saying, that she has made two important points regarding the themes of the novel. One is the alienation and the other is the quest for identity, right? The search for identity or quest for identity. Yes, what else?
The whole novel shuttles between past and present.
Past and present. So what does that signify? Actually, it does not basically, because that is her way of moving away from the past. She is never into the past. She just wants to make a kind of shift. So therefore, this novel is also about dislocation and location, because in their entire novel, so Jasmine is a person, or Jasmine as a character, or his father, the peasant father, he is also one of those characters. Now these characters in the novel, they constantly keep on shifting from one place to another place. So this novel also talks about dislocation and location, right? And a lesser so when it comes to major themes as well as the minor themes, so this is something which you should include in one of those minor aspects, right? What else?
Yes. In the minor themes, we can say the state of exile,
No, that
a
is
sense of loss.
that is one of those major stuff, right? So do not, that is I mean, you need to realize then where are you going wrong in terms of your presentation in your answer script. So this is possibly one of those things that you need to organize in a way that the important things come first and the lesser important things are followed after, right? So that is one of the inputs. What else?
There is a cultural conflict and struggle for the new identity.
Excellent. So we have also this cultural conflict is there, because when she's making a kind of shift from one place to the another place, so definitely she needs to adapt in a new context, in a new area, in a new geography, in a new topos, in a new terrain, right? So that is one of those that there's this clash of culture, or the how she'll be able to adapt herself. So if I were to put it in a better word, so you should look for this word and you can see the meaning. Acculturation, acculturation, ACCUL. It is just people know certain things, but you do not have better way of putting it together, right? So you should be aware of, so these are two important words. One is the acculturation and the other is assimilation, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is acculturation? Let me tell you that acculturation is the process of learning to live successfully in a different culture. Okay, so when she's moving from India to USA and different parts, so from Florida to California and other parts of the world, so definitely she's trying to live somehow successfully in a different culture. So the process of helping somebody to do this is acculturation. So she is somehow trying to help herself in a way that she is able to live successfully in a different culture. So that is acculturation, right? And what is and the other keyword is assimilation. Okay, assimilation. Assimilation is a simple word. That is, you are trying to assimilate somebody or something. Okay, you're trying to assimilate somebody or something. Then
Yes, sir.
what else? You took a word, you just named it, that was exile. What do you understand by exile? Because there is a thin line of difference, as we know that the words in English vocabulary, they are connotative and denotative. So no word is exact in meaning, because we do not have congruence, we have similarity. That is why we say synonyms. So no word is exact in meaning to the other word, right? So they are similar in meaning, and therefore there is a difference in the degree of it. For example, we say happy, we say blissful, we say ecstatic. So all these words are, say, synonyms of happy or happiness or joy, but they are there is a difference in terms of degree, right? So what do you understand by exile? Because when you are using certain words and you are not able to understand the true meaning of those, then it becomes a kind of So I told you acculturation, I told you assimilation, then there is exile. For exile, if you don't know, let me put it this way. Now, this is like, suppose if you are sent to live in another country, you are living in India and you are being sent to live in, say, in a foreign nation or in a foreign land, which is not your own, right? You do not belong to that particular place. And this is usually done either because of two reasons. Say, this is either because of political reasons or maybe because of punishment. So what is an exile? So when a person is sent from one country to the another country, to a new country which is not his own, for simply two reasons. One is for exile, one is for political reason and other for punishment. Then that happens to be exile. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is a question of there is a question that we need to understand. The characters in the novel, we can divide them into two clubs. We can divide into two categories. One can be That is, there are immigrants by force and they are immigrants by choice. Okay. IMMIGR. Okay. So who is an immigrant? Immigrant is a person who has come from a different land. That is, you move from India and you permanently begin to live in a new country. So that is an immigrant, or that person is an immigrant, right? So you move from one country, and the country to which you move eventually, that you make it to be as your permanent place, which you continue to live thereafter. Right? So that is an immigrant. So in this particular novel, we have immigrants by choice and we have immigrants by force. Right? So when it comes to, say, immigrant by force, we have characters like fathers. Jasmine's father is there. Okay, he is a character who is he is an immigrant by force because of the partition rights, because of the partition which is being talked about, partition of 1947. He is being forced to move from Punjab of earlier thing to a newer Punjab, right? So that is one. So that is just an instance to tell you that this is how you should put your things together, right? So immigrant by force and immigrant by choice. So whereas we have immigrant by force, we have Do is a character, Do is a character. That is by force, right? Then we have father. Father is also there by force. Then by choice we have Professor Devinder, right? So Professor Devinder Vadhera. So the full name. Now he happens to be a teacher of husband of Jasmine, right? So Professor Devinder Vadhera, he moves willingly, right? So that is a conscious choice. That is a matter of choice. And when he moves to a new country, he names himself to be as Dev Vadhera, D-A-V-E. So he likes to be called as Dev Vadhera, D-A-V-E, Vadhera, V-A-D-H-E-R-A. And where does he move to? He moves to USA, America, right? And Jasmine also is a character who is an immigrant by choice. So these are three central characters. Say Professor Devinder Vadhera, who is later called as Dev Vadhera in America, and then we have Jasmine. Okay, so these are immigrants by choice. Oh, fine. So that was one immigrant. Now, one more word.
Jasmine was born after partition, right?
She was born in the year around, say, 1966, I suppose. Okay.
Yes, sir. She was born after partition.
She was born after partition. Very true. So, is there any kind of conflict which you need to clear? Any other?
No.
Right. She was born after 1966.
Yes.
In and around, like she was born after partition. Yes.
So, sir, if she will be considered as an immigrant, because her family was in.
No, that is like when you are वहाँ से वहाँ नहीं है. The thing is, when she's moving to another country, when she's moving to USA and other parts of America, then she is an immigrant, right?
Immigrant. Okay. Yes.
So
I'm just utilizing the time before it gets shut so that I can make salient points and then we can move on to another participant. Yes, Jamal, if you want to clarify.
Sir, we can take example of what 14 years has died.
That will come later. And if we were to say, because you made points related to astrology, soothsaying, so let me add to that is that when she was young, right? So at the age of, say, 7 or so, the astrologer said that she would, predicting her stars, he said that she would have two things. One would be widowhood and the other would be exile. Okay. And then there were certain things more which were made by the astrologer, but in the moment she tried to run and she got hit on her face and she got that mark of a star, right? So all her life she continues to change her stars. Okay, so the practically the novel begins with the soothsaying thing, the prediction astrologer person, and in the end also, right? That possibly that is a kind of when she says regarding how she has turned the stars into a favor, right?